Anti-foaming additives are like fire extinguishers in paint. They work chemically to prevent the formation of bubbles or foam during the application and drying of the paint. Imagine you're painting a wall and suddenly those annoying bubbles appear, ruining the finish. Anti-foaming additives are the silent heroes that prevent this from happening. These additives work by reducing the surface tension of the paint, making bubbles less likely to form. Some anti-foaming additives can release small amounts of gas, which disperses in the paint and breaks the bubbles that form. Others may work more mechanically, breaking the bubbles as they form on the surface of the paint.